My favorite place. My favorite place is my home because it is the most comfortable and peaceful place for me. It is where I feel safe, relaxed, and happy. No matter where I go, I always want to come back home. My home is not very big, but it is clean and well organized. There's a living room, a kitchen, and bedrooms for my family. Each room is simple, but it has everything we need. I like sitting in the living room and spending time with my family. Sometimes I also relax in my bedroom, read books, or listen to music. At home, I can be myself and feel free. I enjoy talking with my parents, laughing with my family, and sharing meals together. These moments make me feel warm and loved. My home is also a place where I study and learn. I do my homework, review my lessons, and practice English. It is quiet, so I can focus well. This helps me improve every day. Even when I feel tired or sad, my home makes me feel better. It gives me comfort and peace. That is why my home is my favorite place in the world. I believe that a home is not just a place to live, but a place full of love and happiness. I will always love my home and take care of it.